Let's go over how to calculate standard error of the mean using Google Sheets. This means you're not going to do any math and you're just going to plug the data into an equation. Remember that standard error of the mean is a measure of the accuracy of how a sample kind of represents the population. You can see here is our example, and we're saying how does this represent the total population? Now to calculate this, you're going to open a new Google Sheet. You're going to input the data. You can see I placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here in the boxes. Make sure each individual piece of data is in a different box. Now you can't add in anything like G for grams. These just have to be numbers. They can't have anything else with them. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to insert this equation into the box below your data. You can see I placed my equation here equals STDEV, and then I selected the data, close the parentheses, divided by the square root of the count of the data again. And then once I click enter, that's going to be my standard error of the mean. And you didn't have to do any math to calculate this. Now, what I like to tell students to do instead of just writing that really long equation, because that can get kind of messy, is to make a standard deviation box and then make a standard error box. For the standard error box, I just type in equals, and then I select standard deviation and then divide it by the square root of the count of this again. You can just write 5 in there if you want. You don't have to have the program count for you unless you want to. It's up to you. But yeah, this makes it a lot easier for you to tell the difference between the standard deviation and the standard error of the mean.